the Agat YouTube, constatatu. I'm trying to make a little bit of an intro for my video, so I have put that at the start. Hope you like it. Please let me know what you think. May put them to music or something. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, it's been a while since I've made a talking vlog, kind of just to let you know what things are going on. Like, so my last one was a bit of a rant anyway about my phone, but it's all good. I had another little upset trying to put credit in, but that was my own stupidity. Still doesn't make me feel any happier about speaking to their customer services, mind you. But anyway, so that's that. Recent news: I completed the Hunger Games book. Took me less than 2 weeks, about a week and 5 days, 6 days to read it, which I'm very proud of. So I've started the Catching Fire book, and I'm almost finished it too. I've that much left to read. But I know they're very absorbing books. So, anyway, I really enjoyed them, so keep me going for a while. Today is February the 14th, or if you want to call it Valentines Day, you can, for all you loved up couples out there. Woo! For the rest of us, me, what can you do? So, that's that. Yeah, Valentine's Day. I'm going to be really kind of Scroogey about it and say it's all crash commercialism and very capitalistic and it's all designed to make money for the big corporations, and it's not really about love or anything like that because it doesn't exist. And I'm only saying that because I'm single. And I'm allowed to be that bitter, you know. If I'm single on Valentine's Day, I can be grumpy if I want. But anyway, I won't rant. So it's very early in the morning. It's a quarter to 9. That's not early. I just did my mountain skills over the weekend, and I was up and out of bed by 6. Had my breakfast, out of the house by 7. In town by 20 past 7, because I got a taxi in. It's feckin' expensive. But then got the Lewis out to where I was meeting my driver, and my driver picked me up and we went out. And I got home on Saturday night at 8:30. And I left the house at 7:30. So, that was alright. I enjoyed the mountain skills, so it was worth going. I picked up a few hints and tips and everything. So, but it was 4 or 5 hours of hiking through cloud. But those are the weather conditions, and that's to be expected in Ireland, in Wicklow, where the weather can change like that. We literally had like 3-4 minutes of sunshine just appear out of nowhere, and then it disappeared again. So that's what it's like. So that's that. I've nothing really else exciting to talk about. I've a few phone calls to make and an appointment later on, and then I might go into town and go to the cinema or something. Grab a bite to eat and all that jazz. I can do these things on my own. I don't mind. I really don't. So I might go and see what's out. The Girl in the Dark. I kind of want to go and see that. It's supposed to be really scary, and they advise taking somebody with you, but I can handle it, I think. Anyway, Danny can protect me. That's that. So I'm gonna probably make this an all-day video, so I'll compress everything. So for a moment, gur agat, slán fóill.
Well, ihawa YouTube, constatatu. This is my first nighttime outdoor vlog. Thumbs up for that. Just out from the cinema. I went to see The Woman in Black, and it's a good jumpy movie, but not particularly scary. But, oh well, it was worth going to see. Cinema is still packed. It's 8:30 at night. The place is still jam-packed. You can't move in the foyer. But, I know, it was a good film. I have a couple more films I want to see during the week, so we'll see what happens. What else? I looked into some outdoor gear. Oh, and I signed up for the shaver dye campaign. I'll make a video to follow this, just to give you all the details and the lowdown and all that jazz. So, stay tuned. It's interesting walking around town talking to myself. I really should get a Bluetooth headset or something. You know, gives me a reason to act crazy. What else? Look, Lewis. And we're back. Wish I had more interesting stuff to actually talk about for this, but, well, what can you do? So I'll make that video about my shaver dye anyway, and stay tuned. Iwa, Gurv Malbut.
Iwa reach YouTube. So I don't know if this will make it into the final cut or not, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just succumbing to that February 14th spell. Isn't today like a day for professing your feelings, whatever they are, for a certain person in your life? Or is today the worst day to do it? Would it seem more genuine to do it any other day of the year? Or would it mean more on a day like today? I don't know. It depends on how you feel about your feelings, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'm just... Maybe I'm just succumbing to that charm. What do you think, Whiskers? You and me, sweetheart. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. I don't know how to say it Osquailiga. I'll tell you about it tomorrow. Iwa, Gurv Malbut. Slán before.